In this video, we're going to learn how to sync our audio with our video in just a few seconds. I'm sure you've experienced things like this. In this video, we're going to learn how to sync our audio with our video, so we're going to make sure that will never happen again. First, you'll need the original or source audio that is recorded with your camera's internal microphone. Second is your other audio. It's what you recorded with an external microphone. All right, bring both your source clip and other audio onto your timeline. Each audio needs its own layer, so drag your external mic audio under your source clip like this. Now select both audio layers and right-click to bring up this menu, then click on Synchronize. You'll want to change the selection to audio and make sure that the track channel is set to whatever audio layer that your source is on. In this case, as you can see, our source audio is on audio layer 1, so we will select 1 and then press OK. Premiere will automatically sync these together. But this is what I always tell our students to make sure the audio is actually synced. Zoom all the way in on your timeline by pressing the plus button, and then double click on your audio layer so you can see the waveforms to check if they line up perfectly. If it's hard to see your source's waveform, up the gain and it will be more apparent. If it's not synced perfectly and your audio is off by even just a frame or two, it can be a big issue. So this is what to do. If you try to drag your audio, you will only be able to move it frame by frame, which may not be enough to get it perfect. So click on the 3 lines right next to your sequence and click Show Audio Time Units, and now you can freely move it to make it super exact. And lastly, here's a tip to make all this easier. That was it. That clapping sound will act as an audio spike and it will look like this in your audio files. So now you have an exact spike to match your 2 clips up with. And that's why on film sets, they use those clapper boards. Now you know. The last thing to do is to get rid of your source audio. You can delete it by right-clicking on your source, then selecting unlink, and now your video and audio layers are separated, so just click your audio and then press delete. Or what I usually like to do is just mute the source audio track, just in case I ever need to resync. And you know, it's one thing to understand how to make a certain effect, but it's another to have your videos at the right standard that's ready to boom. And that's the purpose of Miracamp. In our online school, you will get detailed feedback from teachers like me and the ability to connect one-on-one with video calls with us to address any and all of your questions. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to get the crispiest, highest quality audio possible. Make sure to subscribe to not miss any of our weekly uploads, or click here to watch it now.